This video is all about the Afrikaans word eet. Eet is the word for eat. By iemand eet. By iemand eet. To dine at someone's place. Iets eet. Iets eet. Eat something. Ek moet nou iets eet. Ek moet nou iets eet. Which means I must eat something now. Om lekker te eet. Om lekker te eet. To enjoy a meal. Smaaklike ete. Smaaklike ete. Enjoy your meal. Te veel eet. Te veel eet. To overeat. Uit eet. Uit eet. To dine out. Eetbaar. Eetbaar. Edible. Eetgerei. Eetgerei. Cutlery. Eetgoed. Eetgoed. Things that you can eat. Eethoekie. Eethoekie. The word for a breakfast nook or dinette. Eetkamer. Eetkamer. A dining room. Eetlepel. Eetlepel. A tablespoon. Eetlus. Eetlus. Appetite. Eetplek. Eetplek. A place to eat, like a restaurant. Eetstaking. Eetstaking. A hunger strike.